Welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to explain the new features of version 1.3. First, you will find new environments. Regardless of your geographical area, you will find a that we had on the surface.